Hello everyone, how are you friends? Welcome to the beautiful journey of Christmas. In this video, we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding and very creative different Christmas home decoration ideas. So friends, in this video we will explore beautiful, affordable and cozy Christmas decorations that you can easily try at home. From sparkling trees to handmade crafts, from warm lights to creative DIY ideas, everything is here to inspire your perfect Christmas look. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these wonderful decoration ideas. Let's start with the heart of Christmas decor, the Christmas tree. Choose a that fits your space, large or small. The magic is not about size, it's about love and creativity. Begin by fluffing your branches. Spread them out gently so your tree looks full, soft, and complete. This small step creates a big difference. Now add warm string lights. These lights create a glow that brings happiness and calmness to any corner of your home. Use ornaments that match your theme. Red and gold for traditional, silver and white for elegant, blue and white for winter vibes. Every theme has its own charm. And pine cones are simple but beautiful. Add theme to your tree or place them in bowls around the house. They bring a natural, cozy touch. If you want something affordable, use papers ornaments, cut star circles and snowflakes, add glitter for shine. It's cheap, fun and looks amazing. Ribbon is another great decoration. Tie ribbon bows or wrap it around the tree. It adds softness and color without extra cost. Candles create magic. Use scented candles like cinnamon or vanilla. But always keep safety in mind. Use fairy lights on windows and doors. They make your home look warm and welcoming even from outside. Hang stockings on the wall or shelf. You can personalize them with names for a cute family touch. For table decor, use a simple white cloth, add pine cones and a candle and some ornaments. It looks elegant without spending much. If you like DIY crafts, create snowmen using socks or cotton. These small handmade decorations add personality to your home. Glass jars are perfect for decoration. Fill them with lights, pine cones, fake snow, or candies. Very simple, very aesthetic. Don't forget your front door. A Christmas wreath instantly brings festive feelings. Make your own using leaves, berries, and ribbon. Use burlap cloth for a rustic theme, burlap bows, burlap table runner, or burlap tree. Sticks look warm and natural. Many people love crystal ornaments. They reflect light beautifully, making your tree sparkle like magic. You can also create small Christmas villages using tiny houses. Lights and cotton gives a dreamy winter wonderland feeling. Try decorating with Christmas themes, cushions, and blanket. They make your home cozy and picture perfect. Hang stars from the ceiling using transparent thread. When they move, it looks like stars floating in the room. Keep your decorations balanced. Too much decoration can look messy. Simple and clean often looks more beautiful. Thank you so much and thanks for watching my video.